¿Tú dónde estás? ¿Y abuela está ahí?
Hi guys, I know I didn't talk at all in this video or this vlog, but I thought I might talk with you about this book I recently finished. I finished this 2 days ago actually, and it was so beautiful. I gave it 5 stars. It's literally, she didn't disappoint. I had high expectations for this book, and it didn't disappoint at all. Like, the story behind the cover is so beautiful. Like, the meaning of the cover is so beautiful. I fell in love with the characters, their story, especially Margaret's story, like the way she told us her life. Like, I felt that I was living with the characters, especially Margaret's, like when she was telling us about her grandparents, her father, her mother, her sister. Like, I felt like I was there with them. And also when she was telling us about her love story with Cosmo St. Clair, that was so romantic and so beautiful. Like, it was so touching. Like, and her relationship with her sister was something so precious and pure and also touching. I loved it so much. As for Alice and Hayden, I liked their love story. It was like great, but the chemistry wasn't something incredible. Like, I just love it. That's all. Like, it wasn't like I didn't get impressed really, you know. So I gave it 5 stars. It's so beautiful. Like, it's so beautifully written, and I didn't get bored when I was reading Margaret's story. Like, when she was telling us about her family tree and stuff like that. I saw that people got bored while reading that. I didn't. It was so beautiful. Like, full of quotes that I loved. I just devoured this book, and I will always remember, and I will always love this book. It's so good. I highly recommend it.
안녕.